This Hamilton Beach FrontFill 12-cup programmable coffee maker is easy to fill from the front with a FrontFill water reservoir and swing-open brew basket for coffee grounds. Plus, with an automatic cleaning cycle reminder, you can ensure your machine is brewing the best-tasting coffee. With its compact design, this coffee maker takes up less space but still makes up to 12 cups. Water reservoir fits Hamilton Beach 80674R water filters. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easily fill from the front. The FrontFill water reservoir and swing-open brew basket are designed for easy access under cabinets, so it's simpler to add water and coffee grounds. The swing-out brew basket opens from the front quickly and is designed for easy cleaning. The Easy View water window makes it easy to fill water to the right level. Number 2. Wake up ready coffee with Easy Touch programming. It's easy to program the coffee maker and clock. Use Easy Touch programming to set the Hamilton Beach coffee maker up to 24 hours ahead so hot coffee is ready in the morning when you wake up. Number 3. Peace of mind with auto shutoff. The drip coffee maker automatically shuts off after 2 hours for peace of mind. Never worry about leaving home with the coffee maker on again. Number 4. Customize brew strength. Use the Select a Brew Strength selector on the programmable coffee maker to set your coffee's brew strength to match your preference or mood. Choose regular, bold, or 1 to 4 cup options. Number 5. Know when it's time to clean. The coffee maker gives you cleaning reminders to let you know when it's time to run the self-cleaning cycle. Fits Hamilton Beach water filters. Number 6. First cup fast. With auto pause and pour, you can pour yourself a cup while coffee is still brewing. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.